So that's, I don't know why I clapped so loud there. Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Syngonium collection. It's one of the species of plants that I'm really into, and I do tend to be always buying them. I like that there's so many different varieties, and there's definitely a lot more on my wish list. So let me know in the comments down below what's on your Syngonium wish list, because I kind of want to add more and research some more and get some more Syngoniums. So let me know which ones you guys really like and which ones are really beautiful to you, and I can check them out. But let's get started with this video. So I'm going to share with you guys the most recent Syngonium that I got, and it's this one. I believe, and I could be wrong, I believe it's considered like the white butterfly Syngonium. And I feel bad, but I did order one from Plantarina that did not look anything like this. Like the colors were just not as white. They looked more like, well, none of these really, because these are all pretty highly colored, and it just did not look like this. So I actually ended up selling it and not keeping it because it didn't really make me happy. Yeah, this one I just think is so beautiful. I found it recently at a local nursery here in Houston, Texas. My favorite ones are like these ones that are super highly variegated with the white. I just think it's so beautiful, and oh, this one too. I just love those. It looks so appealing as, I feel like, decor, because it's just so highly variegated and the colors are like strong, you know what I mean? So I really love this one. It's shown a lot of new growth since I did get it. Unfortunately, the only thing with this is I could not find any nodes so that I could propagate it and make more, which is kind of a bummer because I'd like to have more of the same plant that I really like. So I guess I need to wait for it to grow more, but it's kind of weird that there's no nodes on it. It's pretty full plant. Really like this. I believe it was about $15 at the local nursery, so great price. One thing I love about Syngoniums is they're pretty easy to take care of. The only thing I find is that they require more water than a lot of my other houseplants. Like they just drain out and drink their water more often and faster, and they don't like to stay dry for too long. Like you can't really forget about them. So that's the only hard thing, but besides that, if you're on top of your watering, like, you're gonna be fine with Syngonium. So next up I have this pink Syngonium, and I don't know why the color looks so dull on camera, but whenever I take a photo of it, the colors are like super vibrant and beautiful. Like even on the close-up it looks pretty dull, but I swear they're so bright and colorful. I'll insert a photo that I've taken of this exact plant and how it comes out on photo, because it's so weird that it looks so dull on camera, but I mean, you can still tell that it's pink. I love this one, and you know that because I have multiples of them. This is just a propagation that I had from, I think this one's the mother plant, but I have quite a few propagations from her, and I'll be adding it to my Etsy plant shop soon. So I just want to make sure it's a little bit more established than what it is now before I do sell it. I want to make sure I'm giving the healthiest of healthy plants on my Etsy plant shop. So yeah, I love this one. I love the pink on it. Again, I don't know why it looks so dull on camera, but I promise it's not. Pink Syngonium is a classic, and I feel like if you're into Syngoniums, like this is a great one to get. So the next two I'm going to show you guys together because I want to know your opinion. They look so similar to me, and I find myself struggling a lot to see the difference in them. I guess you can kind of see it, but I don't know. So these are the two plants. Where I could see the difference the most is like the leaf shape a little bit. This one's a little more pointy, I feel like, and this one's a little bit more round. So this one is a berry illusion Syngonium, and then this one is a gold illusion Syngonium. Got this one from Plantarina, and again, I have to say I was just a little bit disappointed because I figured it would look a lot more gold, and it honestly just looks like a plain green Syngonium to me. Like this one looks a little bit more variegated and colored to me, could be more gold. Maybe this one as well, but for the most part the leaves come out pretty green in my opinion. And then this one I got at Trader Joe's, which I love because it was so cheap. I have literally taken maybe 20 cuttings from this plant. Like it's taken a lot of abuse from me. I've just made so many little ones that I've sold on the Etsy shop, but I love this one for these type of leaves. I try to mostly propagate the ones that look like this because I just think they're so beautiful. They're green, they're like a light green, very pale green with this pink veining, and then they have the green outside like lining. I love that leaf so much. I think it's so beautiful. So like this cluster of like 3 leaves right here, I would definitely propagate next. Always been a very easy plant for me, but like I said, it drinks a lot of water. I literally have to water this like every 3 days, I feel like. Maybe it needs a bigger pot, but I don't think so because I don't see roots coming out from the bottom. So I think maybe because I harass this one so much and take so many cuttings, maybe that's why, I don't know. So this is actually gonna be the last Syngonium I'm gonna share with you guys that I have, and it is my elbow Syngonium. Of course, this is my pride and joy. I recently did a video where I took cuttings from it, so it was actually alive and I did post it as a video so you could check it out, but I can't believe I actually cut this one because, I don't know. I still not necessarily regret it, but it still breaks my heart a little bit. It was super tall and like going crazy off of this moss pole. And I did cut 3 cuttings from it. 2 are listed on the Etsy plant shop and 1 I'm probably just gonna keep for myself just because I'm obsessed. But this is the mother plant. Look at her colors. This should literally speak for itself because I mean, I have not seen a Syngonium this beautifully variegated in a long time, and I definitely did not think I was gonna have one, but I do, and I love this plant. It was a gift for, I think it was my birthday from my fiance, so it was a great gift. And I definitely recommend if you guys have like a birthday, anniversary, Mother's Day, whatever it could be that you could get a gift. If there's a wish list plant that you want that's not like super out of reach, you should definitely ask for it for a gift, because I did, and it was like honestly the best gift I could get, like way better than jewelry, or you know, I mean maybe it's just me, but I definitely love getting plants as gifts, especially when it's a wish list plant. That's the end of my Syngonium collection video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, let me know in the comments down below which ones are on your wish list, and I definitely want to check them out. I've recently discovered the tricolor Syngonium, but that's like $5,000. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely make sure to check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I also have a Hoya collection video as well, so definitely check that out. And with that all being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.